Hello everybody and welcome to ES Solutions UK. Today we are at video 10 and we're going to look at digraphs that form the N sound in a word. We've already looked at starting digraphs, now we'll look at ending digraphs. We'll dive straight in. The first one is C plus T, K plus T. It makes this rather difficult sound, T, which is pretty hard to make. It's easier if you make the vowel sound that precedes it, as in the following words: act, exact, fact, object, respect, select. So I would suggest that's the way to learn this sound. Create it with the preceding vowel sound. Easier to remember, easier to sound, and it's much more fluid in terms of how you will speak and pronounce the sound in the word. And that applies to all these ending digraphs, and indeed when we get to trigraphs at a later video. Next is F plus T. Makes the sound ft, but try these words: craft, or sometimes people might say craft. That's okay. Left, lift, soft, tuft. Next, L plus D, L plus D. Some words: bald, held, weld, old, bold, hold. When we get OLD together, as we had in the last three examples there, it creates the long vowel sound of O and the complete sound of old. So whenever you see OLD, whatever consonant or blends that precede it, you can make that sound old. So let me repeat: old, bold, cold, fold, hold. But beware, if we get O-U-L-D, it makes a different sound. There's only a few words, so some examples are could, should, would. So the L becomes silent on those words. We will look at silent letters in a later video. Next, L plus F, L plus F. Try these words: elf, self, half, wolf, shelf. Next, L plus K, L plus K, as in bulk, milk, sulk. Notice that there's a definite full sound. Both the L and K are sounded. Let me repeat: bulk, milk, sulk. But sometimes when LK finishes a word, the L sound is much less apparent. Try these words: walk, talk, chalk, yoke. In fact, less apparent to the point of being silent. As indicated, silent letters will come in the following video. Next, L plus P, L plus P. Some words: alp, gulp, help, pulp. Next, L plus T, L plus T. Some words are adult, melt, silt, bolt, salt. Next, M and P, M plus P, as in camp, damp, hemp, imp, pump. Next, N plus D, N plus D, as in and, band, mend, wind. Wind as a noun. As a vowel, the same spelling becomes wind.